Discolored armpits, darkening, dryness. Many women are worried about their underarms. There are products designed by women abroad based on the idea of a pack made of lemon, baking powder and toothpaste for the underarms. This is Armpident, a cosmetics brand dedicated to the armpit. The armpit sheet mask, which helps ease underarm darkening and pigmentation, is a sheet mask, so it's really easy and simple to use at home. In fact, armpits become discolored, get rashes, or get dry due to friction or hair waxing. It's an area where discomfort occurs easily. The armpit sheet mask's essence formula, which is made of aloe, niacinamide and fucoidan, provides soothing, moisturizing and nourishing effects to transform your pits into a moist and soft armpit. If you touch it, you can see right away, it's made of a superfine sheet that's softer and thinner than normal. It gently attaches to the curve of the armpits. It has a soft, white musk smell, which is wonderful and also helps prevent body odor. Now, take care of your armpits easily at home with the armpit sheet mask from Armpident, a cosmetics brand dedicated to your underarms.